it's already night time now, and we are with Okmalumkoolkat, aka Zulu Computer, aka International Fansula, aka DJ Sharp Sharp. You can add on.
Okay, Sharp, Blazer Milano, okay, Sharp, Don Spovington, okay, Sharp, Hannah Keba Cassettes, okay, Sharp, Zulu Computer. I think you already said that. San Bonan.
Exe, it's very nice to meet you, sir. I can see the drip is going down. It's on lock as always. How are you feeling about tonight?
I'm really trying to run to the show at Afrotainment Marquee. But yeah, I just got here. It's looking beautiful, man. In the pool, next level. Shout out to everybody that came out. Everybody looking good.
I keep bumping into you in such occasions, and I just wish that one day maybe I'm gonna have a chance to just chill with you, man. And I'm just gonna spend a day with you.
I don't want to spend a day with you, bro.
Don't break my heart. Thanks, mate.
Yeah, thanks.